A voluntary blood donation system is what's needed if the issue of blood shortage is to be addressed in Jamaica. That's according to one medical expert. And Shamela Pullen tells us more in this week's edition of the Health Report.
Blood is a fluid that transports oxygen and nutrients to the lungs and tissues. It is needed to keep us alive. There are different types: A, B, AB, and O.
So the commonest group is O, and that's O positive, and therefore the demand for that is going to be highest. Blood group O pack cells, it's a universal donor. So you could give group O blood to multiple persons regardless of their blood group. And so it is in high demand. So even though the supply of O is significant because it's the commonest group, it is also the group that's used most often.
Professor Gillian Worf is a consultant hematologist and oncologist at the University Hospital of the West Indies. Professor Worf says the facility, which is a collection center for the National Blood Transfusion Service, collects approximately 30,000 units of blood each year. But the demand is even greater.
If we look here at the University Hospital, we are getting upwards of 1,700 requests for blood and blood products per month. Not all of them are requests that are necessary, but this is the kind of demand that we're having. And certainly in hospitals where there's a lot of trauma, that demand is going to be even higher.
The professor believes a different approach is needed to encourage people to donate blood.
We absolutely need a proper voluntary blood donation system. We do have blood drives from time to time, and we could rotate that on a regular basis. So if a company can donate every 3 months, you go to that company and you get units from that company, then that's a supply, a ready supply. We have lots of companies, and therefore we should be able to keep an adequate blood supply. And these are persons who are donating out of the goodness of their heart. That's what we want.
And of note, if you donate blood to help a friend or relative, there must be a matching donor in order for the person to benefit. So donating as much as possible is important. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.